Hello guys, thank you for joining with Edunations with another video episode. In this video you will learn 6 ways to use your LinkedIn profile effectively. So before moving to further, we'll discuss about how LinkedIn has spread over the across the countries. So when it's come to the databases, it has 800 million users in currently, and it spreads over 200 countries, and it's home to over 30 million companies at the moment. So why use LinkedIn? LinkedIn offers useful resources for job seekers, providing information, acting as a billboard to highlight your unique value proposition, and making your information public for recruiters who may be looking for what you have to offer. Get started LinkedIn. You will find it quick and easy to get started using LinkedIn. Start by signing up for an account, create your online profile and add a profile photo. The site offers two main tiers of memberships, basic and the premium. Choose the right profile picture for LinkedIn. The profile picture is your calling card on LinkedIn. It shows how people are introduced to you, and it governs the impression from the start. Here are some quick tips to start with. Make sure the picture is recent and looks like you. Make up your face takes up around 60% out of it. Wear what you would like to wear to work and smile with your eyes. Write a good profile summary. The first thing is to say about your LinkedIn summary is make sure you have one. It's amazing how many people still leave this field blank when creating their LinkedIn profile. Your summary is your chance to tell your own story, so don't just use it to list your skills or the job titles you have had. Try to bring to life why those skills matters and the difference they can make to the people you work with. Don't be afraid to invest some time. Try a few drafts and run your summary past people you know. This is your most personal piece of content marketing, and it's worth the effort. List your relevant skills. It's one of the quickest of quick wins of LinkedIn. Scroll through the list of skills and identify those that are relevant to you. So especially in here you need to select what skills or the skill set you have at the moment, especially for the current job and the jobs which you have done in previously. Maybe you are in customer service, maybe you are into sales, or maybe you are into production, so maybe you are into marketing area. So based on the job that you have done previously and the currently you are doing, accordingly you need to list your skills, your customer skills, your sales skills, your the inquiry managing skills, your emotional intelligence, likewise. Request LinkedIn recommendations. Your connection can write recommendations for your profile and offer endorsements of your skills, and you can do the same in return. Recommendations are personal testimonials that emphasize your professional abilities. Aim to collect a handful of those. Between 5 to 10 is good, by asking people you have worked with to write one for you. Ask them to highlight the particular attributes or achievements that have impressed them, rather than making general comments. Endorsements. Endorsements from other members substantiate your skills and increase your credibility. How do you get endorsed on LinkedIn? For starters, go through your network and identify connection who you feel genuinely deserve an endorsement from you. That's often the trigger for people to return the favor. Don't be afraid to reach out with a polite message asking for endorsement for a few key skills as well. Remember, though, relevance matters. Reach out to people whose endorsements you would really value. Include your LinkedIn profile address on your resume. Is it important? Yes, it is. It's really important thing. because many of the employers could check your profile, see your skills, recommendations, and project out the task you have completed. So based on that, they can have the brief understand about your past performances, skills you have, the education qualifications you have. So therefore, make sure to include your LinkedIn profile on your resume importantly. Guys, thank you for joining with Edunations again. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe for more contents. Thank you.